Welcome. If you want your voice to sound clear and consistent during Discord calls, enabling automatic gain control on Discord Mobile is a smart move. This feature automatically balances your microphone volume, so you don't have to worry about being too loud or too quiet. Here's how you can turn it on in just a few simple steps. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap your profile picture. This will bring you to your user settings, where you can adjust all sorts of preferences to improve your Discord experience. Now, in the settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Voice. Tap on it to open the voice settings. This is where you can fine-tune how your microphone works during calls and chats. Keep scrolling in the voice menu until you see the section called Voice Processing. Here, you'll find the option for automatic gain control. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch next to automatic gain control. Once it's turned on, Discord will automatically adjust your microphone levels, helping your voice come through clearly, no matter if you speak softly or get a little excited during a conversation. And that's it. You've successfully enabled automatic gain control on Discord Mobile. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're chatting in noisy environments or want to make sure everyone hears you at the perfect volume. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle it back. Enjoy smoother, more reliable voice chats on Discord, and let your friends hear you loud and clear every time you join a call. Thanks for tuning in, and happy chatting.